Fire escape code, Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. We're here in Lowell. Now this is one that's all exterior steel or wooden stairs. What's this one fall into? Wood. This one has a claim. You know the rule is that you're supposed to have, in order you can use a fire escape must match the building type. So if it's a certain type of structure, it needs to be a metal. If it's if it can have wood, if the structure on this is not a masonry building, it's an all wood structure, they can have wood. But it's supposed to be 2 inches thick here, or 1.5 inches nominal, right? So what would I do if we called you up and said, hey, we have a fire escape that was built, an exterior steel wooden stair acting as a fire escape, but they only have 5/4 on here. The quick answer on some cases is double it up. As soon as you double it up, we're at 1.5 inches. The problem is, will it affect the doorways? And that's, on this one, it's not an issue. So if this is going to be their second means of egress, we have to basically fire rate it, and the fire rating is it's got to be at least 2 inches thick. Would you agree with that, or do you think that was even observed when they were building this thing?
Guarantee it wasn't observed.
Does this look like it's construction that will handle 100 pounds per square foot? Yes. The decking, the most rear porches, are they 60 pounds a square foot, or are they 100 pounds a square foot? 60. So is this 100 pounds or 60 pounds per square foot?
Probably 60.
All right. So with that, this is a second means of egress. So what would be the answer? As an example, and these show up. Would you have to basically, let's say it's this area right here. Would we have to sister all these up to reach the 100 pounds? Correct?
Yep.
Would that Would that help?
Yeah.
Because this is not part of the fire escape. This is so, you know, about 3 to 4 feet we'd pick up here, we'd sister it up.
Okay.
On the staircases, and here, this would have to be doubled up to meet the 100 pounds, correct?
Correct.
Meet the thickness requirement, which is go to 2. And what about these stairs? Start sistering up the stringers, reinforce the stringers from the outside to hit the 100 pound.
Yeah.
So a lot of this sometimes is called reverse engineering. They would actually bring in an engineer, and he would reverse engineer this to see whether or not this was made for 100 pounds or 60 pounds. And this is typical. This is a fire escape that is hidden inside an exterior steel wooden stair. And we need to bring this up to you, because now if we did 100 pounds per square foot load test on this, it wouldn't pass. She couldn't handle it. And yet that's one of your requirements. You're going to write a violation on this, and you're saying I need that thing to handle 100 pounds per square foot, because it's the men, it's the firemen, it's the people, and this one currently doesn't. Even though it's a very nice fire escape. I mean, a very nice stair, well built. I don't see many dangling things. It's probably about 15 years old at least. So these are the things that are going to come up on these wooden. On a case-by-case basis, we need your opinion on these. Okay? So, Fire Escape Academy, inspector training, dealing with pre-existing wood structures that are not meeting the 100 pounds per square foot. They're built 60 pounds per square foot.